This old door hinge has been on this door for 15 years, and these are the new ones I'm installing. I'm going from rusted brushed nickel to flat black. I've got 2 of 3 installed and noticing my door not shutting as smooth as it did before. It's not really rubbing, but it's really tight near the end, and you can tell there's a lot of tension on it when it's shut. From this side, I can see some space between the hinge and the door. Actually, it's the same for both. So there's a little bit of space at the top here, and a little bit of space at the top here. And then when you get over to this side, you can definitely tell both hinges are not setting flush. This is a common problem when switching out hinges, and you shouldn't leave the hinge proud like this, as it can cause issues with the door shutting smoothly, like in my case. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this without removing the door. And we'll switch over to this door as it's got a better angle for the video. I've only installed 1 hinge so far on this door, and it has the same problem. It sits proud on the top right side. The other 3 sides are flush. The tools I'll be using are an impact driver to remove the screws, a utility knife with a sharp blade, a chisel, and a hammer. You may notice I upgraded my screws from the 3/4 inch Phillips that comes with it to a 1.5 inch Torx screw. If you're tired of stripping Phillips screws, this is a good move to make when you're switching hinges. For the first step, you want to trace the hinge where it sets proud, then remove your screws. I flipped these 2 steps and it's fine, but you'd be better off getting the outline with the screws securely fastened. You can tell by my outline we only have a small amount of material to remove. To start, I'll use a utility knife to score the line, especially the part with curve in it. If you score it a few times, you can begin to remove the material. With some of the material removed and the outline clearly identified, we can use a chisel to work some more out. Once we get it to where we think it looks good, we can try to set the hinge to see if it's flush. Alright, let's check it out. And it's still not flush, but I can tell somewhere up top here is the problem, so let's take out some more material with the chisel. Alright, let's test it again, and I can easily tell it's the top left side that's now giving us the problem. Alright, let's try once more, and yep, now we are flush. That's kind of the name of the game. Remove a little material, test it out, and keep going as long as needed. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll leave links to all the items used in this video in the description. See you on the next one.